Hello. Hi everyone. Today we'll learn about the artificial neural network. This is part of the data science topic. Uh, we will try to understand the this particular concept, which is ANN, that is artificial neural network. We will try to understand this particular topic with basic example, or we can say that based on the um, based on the one layman level of example. So if you see, uh, when we say neural network, right, so it is something related to the brain, how human brain works, right, how human brain works. Same as we will try to relate this ANN, how machine will behave as a human to take decision, uh, of as per the condition or input. So if you see, ANN is like a team of tiny helpers like neurons, in the way we have in the brain neurons. Same way, each helper looks at the some facts, right? So human also looks for the facts and then decide the take the decisions, right? So now we will come here. uh, Human also take some input. So let's take the decision example of, is it raining? Like when you come out of your home and then you decide that, okay, uh, today should I take the umbrella or not, right? So to take that uh, to take that decision, what you do, you check the weather, like you see the outside weather, and then it depends on your outside weather is like kind of a input. Then you will have some biased decision can be based on your mood or your past experience. Then you will take the decision. So same way you think input is like either it is yes or no. Weight is like uh, how important each factor is. Let's suppose here we will see like you will be able to relate it. Okay. And then biased is your uh, like human, how human has the experience, based on the experience and based on the mood, how things biased decision can be taken. And activation is like finally the rule to turn the kind of a out of all the value, uh, kind of take the based on the input weights and biased, what is the final result, and based on that result take the decision. Okay, now let's come back here. Okay, we'll try to relate it like what I am trying to tell you guys, right? So this is, should I take an umbrella, right? So input is like human also take the input as rain, right? First rain, then second is cloud, and third is wind. So we see that if it is raining, then by default, okay, raining, that means I should take the umbrella. That is one thing, like how fast it is raining, or is it cloudy, or not, it is windy. So raining is like highest weight it will have, because it is raining, that's why we are going to take the umbrella, right? So weightage will be very high for that. And then cloud will also decide that uh, we should take the umbrella or not, right? Wind is also, so wind has more, wind makes umbrella less useful. Okay, So that's why this is negative point is given, because if wind is high, that can give you the signal of that rain might happen, but it is negative signal that do we really want to um, umbrella, like taking umbrella is not useful in that condition, right? And biased we have taken -2. Okay, now similarly it is, if it is not, if it is cloudy not raining, so if case 1, now use case is input is it is cloudy, okay, but not raining and not windy, so rain has become 0, yes or no, right? Either 1 or 0. Cloud is yes, cloudy, so 1. Windy is no windy, so 0. Now how we are going to calculate? As per the weight, as I had mentioned right here, rain is 3, cloud is 1, and wind is -2. Based on that, when we calculate, total calculation comes 1. And then finally biased we have said every time take -2. So it is coming -1. So if a score is greater than 0, then you should take the umbrella. If here a score is coming -1, so do not take the umbrella. Now human, how human will take also decision, right? If it is not raining, cloudy, but not windy also. If little bit cloudy is there, wind is not there completely, right? Then human will also think that okay, maybe I should not take the umbrella. So this is all about the experience and what is the input or current weather, right? Based on that whole decision is taken. So similarly, second example, it is raining, cloudy, not windy, so 1 1 and 0. If you get the overall output, it is 2. So with these kind of input parameter, the decisions are coming, we should take the umbrella or not, right? So when we are saying neural network, right, so every input calculation, you just imagine like one neuron is working on this input, another neuron is working on another input parameter, and coming up with the score. You also, human also thinks about like which one to give the preference, and then some biased value is depends on the experience and depends on the mood of that person, that particular moment. So if model is more experienced, person is more experienced, then decision will be very good, right? Similarly here, if that uh, neural network program which we are writing, if we have more and more trained data, the decision output of that program based on that input will be better. Uh, so similarly, if we really want to